Hi, good evening to everyone. I think you are doing best in your life and you are going to learn Excel syllabus series. So, this video is very helpful for you. Please keep watching and take patience, and then you will get knowledge about the Excel syllabus. So, let's get started. How can get knowledge series knowledge. So firstly we have to know about the Excel syllabus. So basic Excel syllabus with the explanation. I am going to explain you introduction to Excel. Firstly, before the learn of Excel, we have to know what is the Excel. So overview of Excel as a spreadsheet application used for the data organization, analysis and visualization. Meanwhile, Excel is a spreadsheet where we are going to capture data of organization, and basis on the data organization we will take the decisions, and also we will visualize as a graphical and geographical basis. So this is the main things of Excel. So uh, if anybody asks you what is the Excel, then explain overview of Excel as a spreadsheet is application used for data organization and analysis and visualization. Interface overview explanation of the ribbon, workbook, worksheets, rows, columns, cells, and status bar. This is the main interface of the Excel. I will explain you in coming soon my lesson, and I mean capture lectures. So please wait and do not confuse. This is only for syllabus series. So second is the basic Excel operations. What is the basic Excel operation? Like for the Excel, first we know how can open the Excel and how create the new files, and how can save it. This is the basic fundamentals. And after that, what is the navigating in the worksheet center, like add, insert and backspace and everything. What is the little bit control, I mean shortcut keys. So this is the basic Excel operations. Data entry, how can we do the data entry in Excel using undo, redo and autosave. How can apply the autosave and how can undo, I mean control Z, and how can the redo control Y. Then this is the basic fundamental. So please wait, I will explain you in coming session. Formatting cells, how can apply the format of cells and how can apply the format of the row. This is a knowing point. Firstly we have to know, then we can move on, I mean advanced Excel. So I'm here explaining what is the major points of the basic Excel. So firstly I explain introduction of Excel, basic Excel operation. Third is the formatting cells. In the formatting cell sub menu is the cell formatting, font, color, size, bold, italic, number formatting, currency, percentage, date, cell alignment and wrap text. How can do the wrap text? That is should be perfection during the Excel series using format, pointer and border and shading. I will explain you where is the borders and shading. So this series, I mean this video, I will capture only the syllabus points, and coming video I will explain you one by one topics. Like I will explain you managing worksheet and work books. So for this I will capture a single video for your learning purpose. Insert, rename, move, delete worksheet, copy, move and delete data, freeze, fence and split window, hide, unhide column. This is the managing worksheet and workbooks. Fifth one is the work with rows, column and cells. How can insert the row and delete it, and how can resize it, merge and unmerge, and cell reference. This is the fifth chapter. You will be learn inserting and deleting about the single row and column. Basic formula of function. Introduction to formulas. Firstly, writing any formula in Excel, we have to equal, and sometimes you can use the plus and negative sign also. So here I mention in the introduction formulas, you apply first equal. Basic math operator, as you know, plus, minus and divide is the basic operators. So auto, sum and manual is also apply for the formula. Common function, sum, adding two numbers. Sum function we are using for two numbers. Average, we are calculating series of the average value. Minimum value of the series for min function, and maximum value of the series we will use the max value. Find the lowest and highest. Count, column numeric entries, count A, count non-empty cells, Data sorting and filtering. How can data sort and filter? We will apply this one, and this is the magic of the Excel for the visualize and decision takings. Like if I have a different department data, so we can do the filter option for department wise and get the data from the our cell. Sort by value, custom sort, auto filter, everything will explain in the coming section. Introduction to the charts and graph, how can create the charts and what is the help, what is the advantage of the charts, I will explain you. This is the 8th chapter. 9th chapter, basic data validation, how can do the basic data validation. So basic in the base data type we will learn it also, like setting of rule and cell input, drop down list, restricting date, number, text length, error alerts and input message. Introduction and conditional formatting. This is a very important topic of the Excel basic. Highlighting cell based on the condition, using the color scale icon, set data bars, custom rule. 11th is nothing but it is a very important basic printer and base page setting. How can set the page, like page is getting breaking, I mean single page in different ways, so how can set it, and what is the rule of header printing and how can apply it. Like if you are printing 100 page data, so if you want to page count, so how can set it, I will explain in 11th chapter. 12th chapter, introduction of keyboard shortcuts. What is the shortcut, I mean minimum shortcut you should be know for control plus and alphabetical words like A, B, C and X, Y, Z. What is going to happen if I click control plus Y, control plus C, control plus Z, everything I will explain. Formatting, for we use control plus B for board. Practice exercise and mini projects. Simple budgeting sheet I will explain you. Attendance tracker I will also be going to explain you. Basic sales reports will explain you. And previously I was uploaded one video regarding the production scheduler, so you can also go through with them for the projects. And I am coming season going to explain more than project, I mean 100 projects, more than 100 projects will explain within 5 to 6 months. So keep subscribe my channel and do the comment. Start with the, I'm giving to some tips so you can take it. Start with the small data sets. Practice regularly using the realistic example. Use tool tips and help the feature of the Excel understanding function. So this is the syllabus of the Excel data, so you can learn this data and get the more beneficial of Excel learning. So video has captured, so thank you.